Hello guys, welcome to RN Lyrics TV. If you're new here, kindly like, comment and subscribe, okay? So here I decided to challenge my baby girl to cook some chapatis because it's like each time I try to cook them, she's always disturbing me. I did give her some help like kupima maji. So here kanajaribu kuonja to see if the salt is enough, but she overdid it though. So at long last she was trying to watch me do it, and there she goes, but she was a little bit irritated kwa sababu zilikuwa zinamkwamilia kwa mkono. She wasn't happy with it sticking on her hand, so she was irritated and got like mad, but we did solve the problem. I applied some oil on her hands so that it doesn't stick, and there we go. So if you have a kid at home, you can also try the same to to make her look busy while you do your own work. Yeah, so she really tried making them, but they were not as nice and neat as possible. I tried to separate them to avoid some more trouble over here. So I showed her how to roll them neatly using her hands, and she mastered it so very well. There we go, she just started rolling, and can't believe she did that, and she still wanted to cook it just like that. And I can't believe she just want to cook it, even though it's a mess. As long as she cooked all her chapatis, but unfortunately she ate almost all of them by the time she was through with the cooking. That was the first one she ate. The second one the second one, and it's like she focused all her concentration on eating and she forgot she was supposed to be cooking. She's really enjoying herself. There we go. She just is that a fish or what? So that's the third one. She's just eating the third one. Then that's the final result. She only had one left. And yeah, thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, okay?